Okay, very last problem for us to do on these notes. Okay, if you look at this one, number 9, we're not going to worry about doing 10 or the special case. We'll talk about that whenever I get back. So on number 9, I have 2 inequalities. If you notice the difference between these inequalities and these that were up here, these were solved for y. These are not, which means we got to go back and remember those solving for y skills that I know you have. So for the first one, 2x plus 3y is less than 6. I'm going to rewrite it up here just so I have some room. And I want to solve this for y. So I box my variable, I draw my line. I need to move whatever's outside of the box. In this case, it's 2x. So I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. 2x minus 2x cancels. I bring down 3y is less than negative 2x plus 6. Okay, the last thing I have to do if I box my variable is divorce divide on both sides. 3 over 3 cancels. Y is less than negative 2 over 3 x plus 2. That's kind of hard to see, so I'm going to rewrite it down here. Y is less than negative 2 over 3x plus 2. Okay, so that's one of our inequalities. Let's go ahead and graph it. So I need to know my slope. It's the number that comes before the x, so negative 2 over 3. My y-intercept is 2. I'm going to plot a point at 2 on my y-axis for my y-intercept. The negative 2 tells me to go down 2 and over 3. So down 2 over 3. Down 2 over 3. Okay, because it was a less than sign, it's going to be dashed. And then it's less than. So I need to shade below this line. So I'm going to shade everything below it. Okay, the last one. This one's easier to solve for. So y minus 1 is greater than or equal to negative 2x. So with y minus 1 is greater than or equal to negative 2x. I'm going to solve it real quick. Box my variable, draw my line. I want to move whatever is next to my box. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Negative 1 plus 1 cancels. I'm left with y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 1. We'll rewrite that right up here. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 1. We'll do the same thing. We'll come up with what our slope is and what our y-intercept is. So my slope is negative 2 over 1, and my y-intercept is 1. Okay, I'm going to plot a point at 1 on my y-intercept. Slope tells me to go down 2 and over 1. Down 2 and over 1. It was greater than or equal to, so I'm going to use a solid line. All right. Because it's greater than, I want to shade everything above. Okay. So where they cross is right here in the middle. My pink looks kind of faded, but it's there. So it's shaded right there in the middle.